Hello, class, and welcome to CMN 154 Routing Protocols and Networking. My name is Joel. I'll be your instructor. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this orientation. I hope we'll have a fantastic semester. I hope you guys had a fantastic summer and you're ready for some fun and go wild and crazy and learn a few good things. We'll walk you through Canvas, what you need to watch out for, where to go, what are the stuff that you need to accomplish. We'll go over the syllabus also really quick, and I'll navigate through Canvas really quickly to show you the different stuff. So as soon as you log in to Canvas, the first thing that you'll see is announcements. Every week you'll have an announcement for me, at least one, and if there is an emergency or something I forgot to mention before, or I need you to worry about something specific, I'll have more than one. So it is very, very critical that you log into Canvas multiple times a week and not just once, and that's it. So like that, it will allow you to be on top of your game to know what you'll need to accomplish. So I have posted, like for example, for week one, it shows you what needs to be accomplished. So it tells you what we're going to cover and the tasks. These are the stuff that you definitely need to worry about, that you'll have to accomplish and get them done, and etc. So from that aspect, those are the stuff that you'll always have to be careful about and be worried about, like what do I need to accomplish. And we'll see in a sec in the syllabus. I have a tentative calendar, and hopefully that'll be it. That's what will follow, but it might change based on the class and the way we're going through the class and etc. So as you can see, the first thing it shows you is a welcome basically to the class, what the class is all about. So it's basically computer networking, but we're going to look at it from the aspect of Cisco. So from a Cisco point of view, that's what it will focus on. We'll use also an application called Packet Tracer, which is a virtual environment that allows you to actually create real networks, like you have a router, switches, computers, servers, and etc. that you can connect together. Then you'll need to figure out, from a connection point of view, am I using fiber optic, am I using copper, am I using wireless, how do I send and receive the packets. It will show you that the packets are successful, not successful, and etc. So that's from this point of view, that you need to be careful about it from that aspect of making sure to log in on a weekly basis. And also, please make sure when you submit, send me an email, which is the best way to contact me. Write down COMN 154 and then your section. So if you're in section 1, type in there section 1. If you're in section 2, please also let me know, because this course this time has two different sections. So section 1 and 2, it'll be easier for me to jump into Canvas and look at what you're trying to decide on. So those are the things that you'll need to review. So first thing is, we'll go under syllabus. That's what we're going to review. You have my info, you have my office hours, which will be virtual, and I'll have a Zoom link for you posted in under announcements, with the links for Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, that you guys can catch me basically, and go through the process of meeting me in there. Best way to get hold of me, like I stated, is through email. Please remember to put in there your class section, COMN 154, either O1 or O2. Please remember to do that. Then the attendance is a survey that you'll need to complete on a weekly basis in Canvas. So our semester starts on day X. You'll have to complete it before week 2 starts. So before the following week starts, that's what you'll need to complete your survey. So our semester starts on a Tuesday. You'll have from Tuesday all the way to Monday, 11:59 p.m. to complete that. And that is strictly for financial aid purposes. It does not affect your work. So if you're paying out of pocket, you don't even have to worry about it. It's nothing that you'll need to, really worry about. Course description, please read that. I just want to make this video as short as possible. If you have any question, let me know. The textbook that you'll need to do is Intro to Networks Companion Guide. You don't need to get the lab book. You don't need that. You just need the main textbook. I'll have all the work for you. I'll have all the documentation that you need to complete your work, so you can save on that. You don't need it. You can get it used. There is no code or anything like that. So if you want to purchase it online or something, that is totally fine. Assignments, everything will be completed in Canvas. So I'll post the stuff for you in Canvas. You download, complete, and then you re-upload to Canvas. That's the idea. Grades, the usual. So the assignments, you'll have labs and quizzes. I'm hoping total points, possibly 500. You'll have one project, one main project. You'll have maybe smaller projects. I doubt it, but you'll have one main project. You'll have two tests, and then you'll have discussion questions that you'll need to complete on a weekly basis. And I'll talk about the discussion questions in a sec. The tentative calendar, that's what I'm hoping that we can follow. It doesn't mean that it is 100%. That's why it's very critical for you to check Canvas announcements on a weekly basis. So like that, you are 100% sure of what needs to be completed on a weekly basis. So as you can see, for example, week 3, you'll have first discussion question assigned to you. The discussion question have two parts in it. First part is you answering my questions. So I'll assign you one or two questions that you need to reply to it. How much content do you need to provide me? A single paragraph will be enough. 5 full sentences per question is more than enough. I'm not looking for a page, 2 pages, 3 pages. So one single paragraph, 5 full sentences will be more than enough. The second part of your discussion question that you need to complete every time is assigned to you is reply to one of your peers' questions. So let's say, for example, I assigned you 2 questions for this week. You answer both of them. That's your initial reply. And then you go to one of your peers and reply to one of his or her questions by adding more content. I am not looking for you to criticize their work. I'm not looking for you to say good job or bad job or, it looks good. No, no, no. That's not something you need to get done. What you need to do is add more content. You'll need to add content, a paragraph, once again, 5 full sentences, adding more information to whatever they posted. That'll be your job. And you do that, you earn full grade for it. Point blank. It's that simple. Late work, I don't accept late work except if there is a major reason, and hopefully no major reasons will happen. Please get hold of me as soon as you can, and then I'll try to work out something and see if it's approvable or not, and then I can approve it, and if I need to go to my boss to even approve it. So there's stuff that can be worked around. Some of them will not be worked around. So please make sure to complete your work and turn it in. Like I said, it's always due before the start of the following week. So week 1 will end on Monday 11:59 p.m. You need to upload that into Canvas before Monday 11:59 p.m. You always have a week to get the work done. Other than that, let's see. Oops, I went backward. My apologies. And it's great. Financial aid, if you have any questions about financial aid, please contact financial aid directly. They'll be able to tell you what needs to be done. Incomplete, I don't provide incompletes except for special reasons, and you'll have to have 75% of the course completed with the passing grade. Then, if there's a special case, then we can look into it based on whatever situation is in. So hopefully that will not happen and you won't need that, and you'll be able to pass the class and move on quickly with it. Academic integrity, the only thing I'll tell you is just do your own work. If you use anything from the net, just state where you got it, reference it, so like that you don't get in trouble. I don't have to get you in trouble. If you have any disabilities, please contact disability services. They'll tell you what needs to be done. You get hold of me and I'll make the arrangement. Same thing with Title IX. If you qualify for those, please get hold of me. Learning Center is where you can reach out to them if you need help related to tutoring. I don't know if there is tutoring for this course yet, but if you need help, that's where you need to go and contact them. However, I do not foresee you needing any help. I'm available. I'm here for you to support you and help you in any way I can possible. But if you need extra help and whatever we're doing together is not enough, then you can get hold of them. MCC Care Team, that's for personal matter. If you have personal needs, then you can contact them. These are pros. They'll be able to basically keep your information secret, and they will not be shared, not even with the president of the school. So if you need help, please get hold of that team. They'll be able to really, really help you out. System policies, read that. COVID doesn't apply to us. We're not on campus. If you are in any other class, please make sure to follow those. Before coming to campus and all this kind of stuff. COVID is still there. COVID is still very, very much available. So be safe and stay safe and keep everybody safe. So students' responsibilities, 2 things that I stated before. Please check your MCC email. If I need to get hold of you, that's the way I get hold of you, because that's the email available in the system. So that's the only thing I have access to. And second is check Canvas as often as you can during the week. So our week starts on Tuesday. Every Tuesday, try to log in. Just see, okay, this week we're working on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 3 labs, two assessment, and etc. that I need to get done. So please log in to Canvas on a weekly basis at the start of the week, so like that you know what needs to be done, and then you'll work around it based on your other classes and etc. Any changes to the syllabus, I will update the syllabi. I will post it in Canvas. I will send you an email and I'll post an announcement with it. I don't foresee any reason for the syllabus to change, but just in case. And the rest of it, just read it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. Now, second, if we go under discussions, that's where your next step is to go and introduce yourself. I did introduce myself. You can read it or just ignore it. It's all good. It's part of the game. Just answer these questions. Especially focus on this last one. If you have anything fun that you did this summer, anything interesting, anything silly that you did, just please post that. I really enjoy reading those. Those are my this is my post. If you want to go through it, you don't have to. You can just ignore it if you'd like to. Now, there's also two other things available here. One of them is peer help. This is basically, I want you to ask questions related to the content. Like if you're working on a lab and you got stuck or something and it's not working, I want you to post the question there. So like that, it's like basically the face-to-face when they're in class, you raise your hand. It might trigger more questions to other students, your classmates, and it will help everyone. And I'll monitor this. If you don't get an answer there, then you can reach out to me and I'll be able to answer it. Now, questions about grades and stuff like that, please do not post them here. These are only for questions related to working on the content. This one, current events, if you find anything interesting about computer networking, security, hardware, software, etc., links, you don't have to summarize anything. You can just put the title and put like a link. You can add it in there. It's just something fun that we can, keep track of together. So under modules, you guys are here. You're already watching the orientation, which is awesome. Then you'll see unit 1 or module 1. That's what you'll have on a weekly basis. You have a lesson plan that tells you what we'll be accomplishing. Okay. What the objectives are. Oops, the pictures are kind of funky. Then what you'll need to complete on the first week. You have read chapter 1, complete the assignment, and then you move on to lecture. I have a video. Some weeks I'll have them, some I might not, so it depends. So this is like replacing the lecture face to face. I'll try to keep them as short as possible, anything between 20 to 30 minutes maximum, based on the week that we're going through. So you can watch this one. Then hopefully you guys already read your chapter. Then there's a PowerPoint slides, which are the ones that are within the lecture itself. So you can use those as a study guide. They're very helpful. So it's basically a summary. Try to summarize your chapter as much as possible. There's few videos that are really hilarious. Take the time to watch them. They're short, like a couple, 3 minutes. They're really, really funny, especially this first one. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy it tremendously. Then from there, first assignment that you have, you download the assignment and then you answer those in the Word document and then you start your assignment and then you upload them. You just attach them. That's basically the idea when you're going through, upload a file and then you just submit. That's basically it. I mean, it's that simple. Then what's next? Let's see. This is your attendance. So the attendance survey that you take. Are you present for the week? Yes, no. See you later. Bye-bye. I'm done. Like I stated, this is only for strictly for financial aid purposes that I have to send every Tuesday. So every Tuesday, that's when I submit my attendance. If you are paying out of pocket, you don't even have to worry about it. It will not affect your grade in any way or shape. That's pretty much it for the orientation. I hope you'll have a fantastic semester, guys. Folks, please reach out to me if you have questions. Don't wait until the week 1, 2, 3 is done and then you go back, tell me, oh, I missed something with week 1. That's too late. Try to reach out to me as soon as possible. If you need help, you need assistance, I'll do whatever it takes to find you an answer and to help you out. Learn something good out of this class, pass it, get a 4.0, and then move on to the next one. That's really my job. But I need you to really reach out to me so I can really provide you some help. Hope you'll have a great semester and hopefully we'll keep in touch soon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.